Eagles are opportunistic hunters. And these birds know a secret about this area. They sit and wait patiently. Taking to the air in large numbers for one thing: food. And the incoming flood tide is about to send hundreds of fish to the surface. For the eagles, catching the dying fish is easy. They're built for it. Roughly 7,000 feathers help them master the air. And massive, scale-covered feet tipped with jet-black, sickle-shaped talons make hauling fish out of the rapids almost effortless. Birds both young and old gather to take part in the feast. And to conserve energy, many of the birds eat their catch on the wing.